Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Python plugin, Bookmarks, I'm going to show you another great plugin that you can use in Eclipse 11. Since this is a plugin, the first thing we'll need to do is obtain the plugin file itself. I'm going to go to Support, Plugins, Plugin Store. I'm going to choose Bookmarks from the list, and I'm going to choose Download. Once the plugin is downloaded, I'm going to click OK. And I'll go back to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins. I'm going to select the Bookmarks plugin and hit Enable. Since this is creating menu options, it needs to be enabled instead of just run like a utility. Next, I'll press OK, and I'll restart Eclipse as directed. And now that I'm in Eclipse, if I go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins, and select Bookmarks, it says that it's going to create a Bookmarks submenu within the Move menu. So if I go to Move, I now have Bookmarks, which gives me 3 new commands. An option to view the bookmarks I've already made, an option to quickly add a bookmark, and an option to add a new bookmark and view your existing bookmarks. The first thing that I want to do is assign a keystroke to each of these. So I'm going to go to my user settings to the Edit tab, and I'll click on Keyboard. I'll click Add. I'm going to select my keystroke, and you can use any keystroke that works for you. And I'm going to assign a command to view bookmarks, a command to add the bookmark, and then a command to add and view my list of bookmarks. So now I have a keyboard command for each of those options. And if I go to Move Bookmark, you see that all of these are listed next to my bookmark commands. Now that I have my keystroke set up, I can open a document, and if I press Ctrl B, my list of bookmarks comes up. I don't have any bookmarks yet, but we'll fix that really quickly. With my cursor on any line, I can press Alt B to add any bookmark I'd like. I can type in any note to myself that I'd like that indicates why I'm bookmarking this line. Now, when I go to Bookmarks using Ctrl B, you see that that bookmark is listed. Additionally, it's given it an identifier of number 1 because it was the first bookmark I entered. Next, it tells me that it's on page 1, line 2. It shows me the corresponding time code for that line, and then it shows me the text that I entered in my bookmark. So I'm going to close that window, and I'm going to move down through my document and add another bookmark. Next, I'm going to move up in the document, and I'm going to add a bookmark out of order. And for this one, I'm going to mark a word, and then hit my Add Bookmark command. And you see that in this case, I didn't get a window asking me what I wanted to type. Instead, if I go to my bookmark list, you see that the word I had marked is simply listed in the bookmarks instead. So you have options of how you'd like to add a bookmark. If I move down to the next page, I can press Alt B and type in something like Get Exhibit or whatever I might need and hit Enter to add that to my bookmark list. But I can also do something like simply mark a word and hit Alt B. And now that entry is in my bookmark list. And I can continue moving through my document adding anything that I need to. And all of these entries will be put into my bookmark list. Now at the bottom of my bookmark list, I have an alpha button, a chrono button, and a location button, in addition to the OK button, which dismisses the window. If I press the alpha button, all of my comments are sorted alphabetically. If I hit the chrono button, they're sorted chronologically in the order that I added them. Every time I add a bookmark, it's assigned a new sequential number. And if you list the bookmarks in order, it will list them in the order that you added them into the document. Now I can press Location to get my list of bookmarks in Document Location. And so here you see that the page number and line number increments whereas when I choose chrono, instead the identifier increments. So no matter which way you'd like to sort your bookmarks, you can do so. I'm excited to see the fun ways that all of our users will implement the Bookmarks plugin and all of the suggestions for improvement that we'll get on this and other plugins. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support is available for any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.